Today we're delving into a topic that's often whispered about, but rarely spoken out loud: the masculine qualities in older men that younger women secretly adore. You might be surprised to learn that it's not always about the flashy or the obvious. In this video, we'll uncover those traits and characteristics that resonate deeply with younger women, often on a subconscious level. Ready to discover the secrets to the timeless appeal of mature masculinity? Let's get started. Decisiveness. Younger women often find decisiveness in older men incredibly appealing. This quality showcases an older man's ability to make confident and assertive decisions, a trait that speaks to his experience and wisdom. It's not just about making choices quickly, it's the assurance and leadership he exudes when making those choices. This decisiveness can make younger women feel secure and taken care of, and it often translates to a feeling of stability and safety in the relationship. Resourcefulness. Another trait that younger women secretly admire in older men is resourcefulness. The ability to handle unexpected situations or challenges effectively showcases an older man's adaptability and experience. Whether it's solving a complex problem at work, fixing a household issue, or finding a way out of a tricky situation, resourcefulness demonstrates an older man's competence and ingenuity, which can be deeply attractive. Physical fitness. While physical fitness is universally admired, in the context of older men and younger women, it takes on a special significance. It's not necessarily about having a bodybuilder's physique, but maintaining a level of physical health and strength through an active lifestyle. This commitment to physical fitness in older men can be a sign of vitality, energy, and a zest for life. It also suggests a degree of self-respect and a commitment to taking care of oneself, which can be very appealing to younger women looking for a partner who values longevity and vitality. Practical skills. Younger women often appreciate the practical skills that many older men possess. This could be anything from proficiency in fixing a car, DIY home projects, to outdoor survival skills. These skills not only demonstrate an older man's ability to handle practical aspects of life, but also often come with interesting stories and experiences. This practical know-how can be seen as a form of self-sufficiency and capability, which can be very attractive to younger women who value independence and strength in a partner. Protective instincts. Younger women often find an older man's protective instincts to be a deeply attractive quality. This isn't about possessiveness or a domineering attitude, but a genuine sense of care and concern. It's the feeling of safety and security that comes from being with someone who is instinctively protective. This trait resonates on a deep level, often speaking to an older man's experience and his understanding of the importance of nurturing and safeguarding those he cares about. Such protective instincts can foster a profound sense of trust and safety in the relationship. Assertiveness. Assertiveness in older men is a quality that strikes the perfect balance between confidence and respect. This trait involves expressing needs and boundaries clearly and respectfully, without veering into aggression. It's about being direct and honest while still valuing the feelings and opinions of others. Younger women often find this blend of strength and respect in communication to be both reassuring and attractive. It indicates a man who knows himself and respects both his own boundaries and those of his partner. Calm under pressure. An older man's ability to remain calm under pressure is a quality that can be highly attractive to younger women. This trait is often indicative of experience and a level of emotional maturity that allows a man to approach stressful or challenging situations with composure and clear thinking. It's not just about being unflappable in a crisis. It's also about the confidence and reassurance this brings to a relationship. A calm demeanor in the face of adversity suggests a partner who can be a stabilizing force in the relationship, something many younger women find deeply reassuring. Commanding presence. A commanding presence is a quality in older men that younger women often find irresistibly attractive. This isn't just about physical stature. It's about a combination of confidence, calmness, and charisma that radiates whenever he enters a room. This presence is a silent announcement of his experience and self-assuredness. It speaks to a life lived fully and a personality that has been honed over years. Such a presence can be both comforting and exhilarating for a younger woman, indicating a partner who is both grounded and dynamic. Strategic thinking. The ability to think strategically is another masculine trait that captures the attention of younger women. Older men often exhibit the capability to plan ahead, consider long-term implications, and approach problems with a level-headed, analytical mindset. This strategic thinking goes beyond mere problem-solving. It reflects a deep understanding of the way the world works, learned from years of experience. For a younger woman, this can be an immensely attractive quality, promising a relationship that is not just emotionally fulfilling, but also intellectually stimulating. Adventurous spirit. An adventurous spirit in an older man can be a great draw for younger women. This quality transcends age, It's about a willingness to embrace life, take risks, and try new things, whether in travel, hobbies, or life choices. It suggests a zest for life that is infectious and inspiring. An older man with an adventurous spirit can offer a sense of excitement and novelty to a younger woman, making the relationship not just about emotional connection but also about shared adventure and exploration. Dependability. Dependability is a cornerstone quality that younger women often admire in older men. This trait is about being reliable and trustworthy, not just in significant commitments but also in everyday interaction. Dependability in an older man reassures a younger woman that she can count on her partner through thick and thin. It's a sign of emotional maturity and a promise of steadiness in a world that can often be unpredictable. This quality lays a foundation of trust and security, critical elements for a deep and lasting relationship. Grit and tenacity. Grit and tenacity in an older man are qualities that younger women often find deeply attractive. These traits reflect a strong will and a relentless drive to pursue goals, face challenges head-on, and overcome obstacles. This kind of resilience is inspiring, showcasing a life shaped by experiences and the determination to prevail. For younger women, such steadfastness in an older man can be a symbol of security and reliability. It suggests a partner who isn't easily swayed by the ups and downs of life, but rather stays the course with determination and resolve. Humility and strength. An older man who combines strength with humility can be incredibly appealing to younger women. This quality is about having the courage to acknowledge flaws, the willingness to learn, and the openness to grow. It's a rare combination of self-awareness and vulnerability that stands in stark contrast to the often overplayed machismo. Humility and strength indicates a man who has grown wiser with age and is comfortable in his skin. For a younger woman, such a man offers a relationship grounded in mutual respect and genuine connection, free from the trappings of ego. Strong work ethic. A strong work ethic in an older man is another quality that can captivate younger women. It showcases a dedication and commitment to one's responsibilities, embodying ambition and drive. This trait goes beyond mere professional success. It reflects a deep sense of purpose and a commitment to achieving goals. For younger women, a partner with a strong work ethic can be both inspiring and motivating. It implies a shared life with someone who values hard work and perseverance, qualities that are foundational for a stable and prosperous future. Quiet confidence. Quiet confidence is a subtly powerful trait in older men that younger women find irresistible. This kind of confidence is understated. It doesn't shout for attention, but rather exudes a calm assurance. It's not about arrogance or the need for external validation, but stems from a deep understanding of one's worth and abilities. For a younger woman, an older man who embodies quiet confidence, this quiet confidence can be both comforting and compelling, offering a sense of stability and a grounded perspective on life. Mentoring mindset. In an older man, a mentoring mindset is a quality that can greatly appeal to younger women. This trait involves the willingness to share knowledge, experiences, and insights, acting as a guide or mentor in areas where he possesses expertise. It's not about lecturing or being paternalistic, but rather sharing wisdom in a way that is supportive and empowering. For a younger woman, such a quality can add a layer of depth to the relationship. It transforms the dynamic into one where learning and personal growth are actively encouraged, creating a bond that is both intellectually stimulating and emotionally fulfilling. Old-fashioned charm. Old-fashioned charm is an enduring quality in older men that often captivates younger women. This charm encompasses a range of behaviors and manners reminiscent of a bygone era, such as writing handwritten notes, opening car doors, or pulling out chairs. It's a nod to chivalry and courtesy that can feel refreshingly respectful and attentive in today's fast-paced digital world. For younger women, such gestures can make them feel valued and cherished in a uniquely personal and thoughtful way. This type of charm speaks of a man who values the finer points of interpersonal interactions, setting the stage for a relationship filled with respect and consideration. Authentic integrity. Authentic integrity is a trait that resonates deeply with younger women when they see it in older men. It's about living with a strong sense of honesty, fairness, and a commitment to doing what is right. This integrity isn't just in words, but in actions. It's about being true to one's principles in both private and public life. For younger women, a man who lives with authentic integrity can be both inspiring and deeply attractive. It suggests a partner who is trustworthy and principled, offering a foundation of trust and mutual respect, essential for any strong relationship. Ready to turn those masculine qualities into undeniable attraction? Discover more. Learn how to make her obsess over you, or dive into the signs she's thinking about you sexually. Thanks for watching. Please like, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more.